Howdy chatbot fans and welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to introduce the concept of Facebook Messenger bots. So, what's Facebook Messenger bot marketing? Messenger bots are automatic conversations that you're having on an individual basis with customers, leads, and prospects through Facebook Messenger. In fact, this image you're seeing on the right-hand side of the slide over here is a bot conversation that was taking place with an individual prospect through Facebook Messenger in one of the bots we built for one of our clients. So the bot says to me, because we were testing the bot, says, "Hey Isaac, I'm Jackie, looking forward to helping you out today. In case we get disconnected, can I get your email?" I give them my email. "Cool, thanks Isaac. Would you like me to send you a coupon?" "Yes, please." And I said, "Great." And I send them a GIF of Leonardo DiCaprio, doing a cheers. And as you could see, this looks like a text message conversation, but it's happening automatically, and this could be happening with 10,000 prospects at the same given time, and each conversation could be programmed to be different. I know this all sounds a little bit crazy and a little bit overwhelming, but we're going to get into all this stuff in a lot more detail. So if messenger marketing is the act of engaging with individual customers through Facebook Messenger, the chatbot is the technology that allows marketers to engage automatically with those customers and at scale. So it's all happening behind the scenes. There doesn't necessarily have to be any human input, although there could be, and we'll talk about later on in the course when that should happen. And it could happen at scale. It could happen with hundreds, thousands, millions of customers all at once. Now, Facebook chatbot marketing, it combines elements from many different types of marketing channels like pay-per-click advertising, like direct mail, like email marketing, and more, but it's also very, very different. I like to conceptualize chatbots as like a combination between text messaging and a phone call tree. You know, when you call into a customer service line, you have to dial 1 for getting directions, and then dial 3 for this store, dial 5 for the shoe department, all that type of stuff. So that's a boring thing to experience. And with Facebook chatbot marketing, it's similar structurally from the back end. It's like branches and more branches and more branches and logic that's going to combine different branches and move people into different flows. But on the front end, it all looks like natural sounding conversation with your customers. And while that sounds overwhelming, you'll see as we progress through the course, all this stuff is going to start making a lot more sense. Chatbots are used to both generate new business and to nurture prospects through the buying funnel. Additionally, of course, you use chatbots to engage with current customers, fans, clients, so on and so forth. But brands are now using chatbots with freakishly rapid adoption rates to get new leads, and I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook Messenger ad campaigns to get leads for dirt cheap. And it's pretty crazy how cheap these leads are coming in, but also to take existing leads and set up drip campaigns and chat blasts and how to set up nurturing campaigns to get them through the buying funnel quickly without ever having to go to your website. This is a game changer, and we're going to talk about why this is such a game changer coming up. So why Facebook chatbots? Why don't we talk about WhatsApp chatbots or whatever? What's so special about Facebook chatbots? Well, Facebook Messenger is the only major chat platform that even has a chat API, which allows developers to build chatbots using code. There is no self-service Facebook bot builder program within the Facebook UI. It doesn't exist. Facebook allows developers to create complex chatbots using code. So, unfortunately, I am in this group. I am not a developer. 99% of us and 99% of digital advertisers who are not developers, I would say 99.9%, are left SOL without the ability to create Facebook chatbots until Mobile Monkey came around. But we're going to talk about that shortly. So anytime you have the opportunity to engage a customer in a one-on-one personalized conversation, the chance of you converting that customer increases dramatically, right? And just sort of think about that conceptually. In an email marketing campaign, or if you're even live chatting with someone on a website, if you could, and you compare those two, right? If you could engage the person with exactly the answers to the questions that they have, how much more likely are you to convert them than if they just came to a landing page or you sent them out a generic email marketing campaign? And that's another reason why Facebook chatbot marketing is so incredibly powerful. This is also relatively new. Facebook only released the API for chatbot marketing back in November of 2016. It was purely manual before that. You had to individually chat with every single customer. And we see this still happening today. When you go to a web, and there's still a place for actual live chat. Like, I'm not saying that this is the only way to engage with customers. It's not, but it's one of the most powerful. But the only way to engage through chat was manually chatting with customers. And that was no good for a lot of reasons. So now that you're understanding, I guess, what Facebook chatbots are, where are these conversations taking place? Very straightforward. They take place in Facebook Messenger, right? Most of you are familiar with the Facebook Messenger app. If you're not, stop the course, pause the video, download Facebook Messenger, right? It's very important for you to have it. You need to understand the context, the setting. You need to understand where these conversations are going to take place. So they take place within Facebook Messenger. That could be on any device. It could be mobile, desktop, but by far, I would say, I think like 75% of Facebook Messenger conversations are taking place on the Facebook Messenger app on mobile, not necessarily on desktop. Also, you can embed Facebook chatbots on your website. So you go to your website and instead, if you guys have all seen this, in the bottom right-hand corner, there's a little chat icon that you could pop up and chat with customer service. And you usually have to wait like 45 minutes for them to get back to you. And then the next day they say, oh, sorry, no one's here to help you. So whatever you build with MobileMonkey, the chatbots you build, which is what we just discussed, that automated, complex, back and forth discussion, personalized, all done with software that you're going to create, could also be embedded on any website. So where does MobileMonkey come into the picture? What you're seeing here is a screenshot of the MobileMonkey builder. We're going to go into that in incredible detail, painstaking detail in future lectures. But MobileMonkey is the world's most powerful visual bot builder for Facebook Messenger. It blows away the competition. The level of thoroughness and the level of sophistication that you could build bots with through MobileMonkey is absolutely incredible. It's going to be incredibly exciting when I show you actual chatbots that we're building and are currently running. As I speak in this back office of Adventure Media, there's hundreds of conversations taking place with my clients' customers through bots that we built through MobileMonkey. And we have like personas like Jackie and Tim that are literally selling things through Facebook bot marketing right now while I'm teaching this course. It's wild. It's not normal. And MobileMonkey is the software that allows you to do that. And it is the software to use. Again, building bots without code. You don't have to know a single line of code. You don't need to know anything. I'm going to teach you how to use this stuff and how to build them, how to build really complex and interesting bots for your business. You use MobileMonkey to collect new leads, to generate new leads for your business through launching Facebook Messenger ad campaigns, through Facebook Message guards, through RSS blasts, through chat blasts, through drip campaigns, all those things we're going to talk about in detail. And we're going to talk about all those things in a lot more detail in a future lecture. Larry Kim, the founder of MobileMonkey, was kind enough to offer all the students of this course an incredibly steep discount on the premium version of MobileMonkey. Now just wait a second. You can sign up for MobileMonkey for free. We all are going to sign up to MobileMonkey for free. You're gonna be able to build bots, follow along with me without spending any money. There is a premium version with premium features. And I think it's like normally $45 or $49 a month. And with the coupon code that's going to be in the description here, Larry's giving the students of this course full access for like $4 a month or something like that. It's going to be a 92, 93% discount. It's going to be really, really well worth everyone's while to do that. So the description and the details of that coupon code will be down below. So now you have a pretty good understanding of the idea of chatbots, the idea of messenger marketing. In the very next lecture, we're going to talk about how powerful this is really going to be for you and the size and the breadth of what we're even dealing with here. So I look forward to seeing you in a couple seconds or a couple minutes or whatever it may be in the very next lecture.